graph g of x equals x squared minus 4. The shape of this graph is going to be a parabola. And we'll first find some points that will be on the parabola. We'll plot the points and then graph the parabola. Let's begin by substituting some values for x. We'll start with x is -2, and we'll find g of -2. G of -2 would be -2 squared minus 4, which will be 4 minus 4, or 0. So organizing our information in a table, we have x and g of x. When x is -2, g of x is 0. And that's one point on the graph. Let's find some more. Let's try g of -1. That would give us -1 squared minus 4, which is 1 minus 4, which is -3. So another point on the graph is -1, -3. We can choose any value for x. Let's try 0. G of 0 would be 0 squared minus 4, which is -4. So we have the point 0, -4. And since we're dealing with a parabola, let's use a few more points. Let's try g of 1. That's 1 squared minus 4, which is 1 minus 4, or -3. So the point 1, -3 will also be on the graph. And we'll do one more. What about when x is 2? We have g of 2 is 2 squared minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And this gives us 5 points that are on the graph. So we'll now plot the points and draw the graph. Plotting the point -2, 0, we have this point right here. -1, -3, over -1 down, we have this point right here. 0, -4 puts us here. 1, -3 puts us here. And 2, 0 is here. And now we can sketch the parabola, coming down, turning here, and going back up. And finally, we'll label the graph with g of x equals x squared minus 4.